make a birdhouse. No more. I know how to do it. Go. I did it, Mom. Now, Mom, we'll just put a dog right there. Oh, should I do this? I know how to do it.
Wait a little bit. Yeah, that's it.
Squeeze. And then squeeze. I did it!
Put the glue sticks on, the popsicle sticks on.
Okay. Now, the other side. Cool.
Okay, so you saw us in the first video laying down the foundation, and here are pictures of my son continuing that foundation. Here I am building the roof shingles, or whatever you want to call it, because y'all know he left me. Arts and crafts are his thing for all of maybe 5 seconds, and then he's gone. So I'm just taking the smaller popsicle sticks that I have and placing them along this row of top and bottom. Here it is, all dried. I let it dry overnight completely so there wouldn't be any sliding of sticks and glue. And you see he finished the foundation and then put 4 poles in to hold up the roof. This is me trying to do it with one hand. This is what happens when you don't use your camera and you use your phone for your videos. But hey, it's all good. We got it done. And that was me showing you the placement of the roof shingles. And I am using hot glue this time because it dries faster and it'll be more secure. Here's the roof all put on and finished. I added some support side beams on the inside and just a couple of beams on the top just for a little added decoration. I don't know why I felt like I needed it for the minute. But this is pretty much it all done. I wasn't sure if we were going to paint it, but of course, any chance my child gets to play and paint, he's gonna take it. See? And again, like I said, painting, crafting is not really his thing. He enjoys it for a few minutes and then he's done. He just likes to make a mess, which is fine by me. I really didn't care if he made a mess. This was just our little project to do together. Something fun and quick for the summer and something that he can see outside, hanging on one of the trees that he can be proud of and say that he made it, and he made it with mommy. Or he made it by himself if you have a child old enough who can actually do this by themselves. Boy, oh boy, was he really into that paint. And I don't know why he likes to mix colors. He that's just crayons, Play-Doh, slime. I don't care what it is. If the colors can be mixed, he's mixing it. Here we are at the final stretch, or what I was hoping anyway, was the final stretch of this painting. And he wanted to show me that he could paint I think he called this a smiley face. As you can see, there are the 2 eyes, and I think he's supposed to be making a mouth. But of course, he needed more paint. Like there wasn't enough paint on his brush. And there's the mouth. Did that smiley face make it to the end of this craft? Of course not. Like you saw, I put a clip. At this point, he pretty much was just playing in paint, but it was fine with me. He enjoyed it. He had fun until he was covered in paint. Clearly you can see the difference in my side versus his side, but it's all good. thing we're doing right now is having fun. I was getting sleepy. I don't know if you all noticed the time behind him on our TV. I think it said 8:40 something. Mommy gets tired early, okay? And if I stay up and my second wind kicks in, I can't go to sleep. And I think that's exactly what happened this night. Because of him, my second wind kicked in and I could not go to sleep. But at this point, I was tired. I was ready to be done with this project. But he was having fun, so I didn't stop him. I let him stop whenever he felt he needed to stop. Okay, somewhere along the line, I think he eventually stopped. But yep, here is the final product. My side and TJ's side. Beautiful all in all. We had fun. I will take some pictures of it hanging from wherever we plan to hang it from once we get some bird seed to put inside. But here it is. Thanks for watching. See you next video.